Hello animal friends. Today we are going to look at some of the heartbreaking effects of pollution on water, especially river water. Let's get started. Rivers and freshwater ecosystems play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature and providing resources for life. However, imagine if in the next 2 years, water pollution increases drastically and adversely affects fish and major river ecosystems. In this video, we will explore the heartbreaking impact of increased water pollution on fish and river ecosystems, as well as the measures that can be taken to prevent even greater losses. 1. Destruction of river ecosystems. Increased water pollution can result in the destruction of complex river ecosystems. Harmful chemical compounds and industrial effluents entering the water can damage the physical and biological conditions of the river. Aquatic plants, plankton, and microscopic organisms that are food sources for fish can be disturbed, disrupting the food chain and balance of the ecosystem. 2. Poor water quality. Increased water pollution leads to a drastic decrease in water quality. Polluted water can contain toxic substances and heavy metals that are harmful to fish health. This can lead to serious health problems, including physical deformations, decreased immunity, and decreased reproductive rates of fish. 3. Disease and infection. Increased water pollution can increase the risk of disease and infection in fish. Contaminated water can be a breeding ground for pathogens and disease-causing microorganisms. Diseases that spread among fish populations can cause mass mortality and decrease population sustainability. 4. Decline in fish population. The most noticeable impact of increased water pollution is the decline in fish population. Increased fish mortality caused by pollution can lead to a significant decrease in the number of fish. This will impact the food chain and the ecosystem as a whole, disrupting balance and sustainability. 5. Disruption to migration and breeding. Many fish species migrate long distances to breed and find shelter. Increased water pollution can disrupt fish migration pathways and damage their habitats, hindering their ability to breed and survive. 6. Social and economic impacts. Declines in fish populations can have far-reaching social and economic impacts. Many communities depend on rivers for food and livelihoods. A decline in fish populations can threaten the sustainability of livelihoods and food availability for river-dependent communities. 7. Food chain disruption. Increased water pollution can disrupt food chains in river ecosystems. Fish usually play the role of predator or prey in the river food chain. If fish populations are affected by pollution, this can disrupt the population dynamics of other animals that depend on fish as a food source. This disruption can lead to undesirable changes in the structure of the river ecosystem. 8. Changes in fish behavior. Increased water pollution can also drastically affect fish behavior. Pollutants in water can affect the functioning of the nervous system of fish and alter their behaviors, such as swimming patterns, foraging, and orientation in the environment. These behavioral changes can interfere with the ability of fish to meet their basic needs, such as finding food and shelter. Increased water pollution in the next 2 years could have a particularly damaging impact on fish and the ecosystems of major rivers. Damage to river ecosystems, reduced water quality, disease, declining fish populations, and socio-economic impacts are some of the tragic consequences of increased water pollution. Prevention and protection of the river environment must be our priority to ensure the continuation of biodiversity and a balanced life in these precious river ecosystems. That's our video for today. Hopefully it can provide new knowledge for us about the animal world. Thank you.